Hello, I'm Mike Anderson with MarineMax, and today I'm going to take you through the all-new 2021 320 Sundancer. Really unique boat, very unique in its class. Open bow, yet cruiser, so kind of a hybrid. You get all the day space you could ever want, and still get a stand-up head, mid-cabin, and forward V-berth as well. Really cool option back here. This rolls out, slides open, so when you're anchored out, the boat flows all the way to the water. You have a swim platform here that drops down vertically, so you can swim in, swim out, hang out in the water. Makes access in and out of the boat really easy. In the back here too, you got a hot and cold transom shower, and then this just opens up, closes up. So when you're cruising, so wraparound seating all the way around the back. Nice teak table that'll set up here. Great wet bar over here, garbage, refrigerator, sink. And then this one has the optional grill as well. Also kind of unique for a 32, you have cockpit AC and heat, and then secondary cockpit or cabin AC and heat as well. When you come to the front here, you have dual screens, dual SIMRAD screens, allows you to see your chart, all your engine functions. You can also have sonar, some of that stuff down there too, so you can have everything right at your fingertips. Axis controlled, so all joystick controlled, really easy for anyone to operate. Auto heading is in there, skyhook, which basically a sky anchor is built in with that. This boat has the hardtop and the extended sunshade out the back as well. All snap-in SeaDek, and then Sea Ray stone interior too, which is a new color for them last year. It's really been a popular color. As you come up front, have a chaise lounge up here. You've got flip down armrests. The headrests slide up too. Then you've got stereo remote control up there. But just a great spot to hang out as you're cruising around the lake. Up front, windlass anchor, remote spotlight. Let's check out the cab. Really unique thing for having a 32 footer with an open bow, still having a stand-up cabin, stand-up head. You've got roughly 6'5" clearance here. V-berth up front, so a nice area to hang out, spend the night, or you can pop a table up too and sit around and play cards and have dinner. TV up front, another refrigerator down here, microwave. So one other great feature is the mid-cabin. So if you have young kids, hopefully only 2 of them, so you can sleep side by side, or you can fill the whole thing in and have a full queen back here. Plenty of space, super comfortable. Come check us out, MarineMax Excelsior.